Good morning, students. Today we will see rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Rational numbers are numbers in mathematics which can be written of the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers, and more importantly, Q should not be equal to 0. What does that mean? For example, if I have a fraction 1 over 2 or 1 by 2, we know that both 1 and 2 are integers, and we also know that 2 is not equal to 0. That means 1 by 2 is rational. In the decimal form, it's 0.5. Let me take another example, 3 by 4. We know that 3 is an integer, 4 is an integer, and 4 is not equal to 0. Therefore, 3 by 4 is rational. If I write it as a decimal, it is 0.75. Suppose what if the number I am taking is not a fraction? If I take numbers like 7, yes, it is rational because 7 can be written as 7 by 1, where 7 and 1 are integers and the denominator 1 is not equal to 0. Not only positive, even negative integers are rational, like minus 23. That can be written as minus 23 by 1. That is rational too. What if it was a negative fraction, something like minus 3 by 8? That is also rational because minus 3 is an integer, 8 is also an integer, and 8 is not equal to 0. So it does satisfy the definition of a rational number. So a rational number, if expressed in a decimal form, it could either stop with 1 digit, or it could stop with the 2 digits, or for example, if you had something like 1 by 3, it is 0.333333 and it never stops. So the digit 3 is recurring. In the decimal form, rational numbers either terminate or non-terminating and recurring or repeating. This is not terminating, it doesn't stop, it has a pattern, it keeps repeating. When I say 0.5, an example of a rational number where it terminates, where it stops, the number of digits stops after the decimal point, whether it is 1 digit or a 2 digit or any number of digit. So a rational number, if expressed in the decimal, would either terminate or non-terminate and repeat. Are there numbers in mathematics which do not fall in this category? Numbers which cannot be expressed of the form P by Q. Let's see irrational numbers. Square root of 2. What is square root of 2? 1.4142136. 1.4142136, and it continues. What is square root of 3? 1.732050. 1.732050 dot. Likewise root 5. These numbers are irrational because the decimal numbers does not stop. It does not terminate, not terminate, or it doesn't stop. Neither does it recurs. There is no pattern. The digits are not repeating or something like that. So it doesn't recur, not repeat. Then those numbers are called irrational numbers. The famous is a pi. The value of pi, if you look into the calculator, is 3. Can you see on the calculator it says 3.1415926535897, it goes on. It neither terminates nor recurs, so it's an irrational. But in mathematics generally we say pi is 22 by 7. You can ask me a question. Pi is written as 22 by 7, 22 is an integer, 7 is an integer, 7 is not equal to 0. Then is pi rational? No. Pi is irrational. That 22 by 7 is just an approximate value of pi for convenience. So basically real numbers are classified. Real numbers are classified either as rational or irrational. Is that clear? Thank you, students.